cool out there today, but our greenhouse feels nice and warm. There's so many blooming tropicals right now. We just got a massive shipment in from Florida and everything is so full of color. Lots of Dipledanias, got some Gardenias, Kimberly queen ferns, Hibiscus. There's some Jasmine plants there. Some Mandevillas. These yellow standard hibiscus are very sought after every spring. We only have a few of them, so get in quick if you do really like yellow. They always tend to go a little bit quicker than the rest. Some really nice tall palms. And one of my favorites is the banana plant. Look at the veins on those. They're so pretty, so intricate and detailed. They just keep on going. Macho ferns are really pretty too. They like a little more shade, but they're really big and bold. Whereas the Kimberly queen ferns, these ones right here that are a little bit more upright, can handle more sun. So that's why people really like Kimberly queen ferns, is because not a lot of ferns can handle full sun in the middle of the summer because it just gets too hot. A little rooster there. Then we also have some citrus plants. There's lime, lemon. Some more Dipledanias here. So come on out. There's a big selection, but things do tend to go quickly as the spring hits and people start putting them outside. But happy gardening, guys.